Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how when you type in a website name like google.com, it knows where to go? That's all thanks to DNS, our domain name system. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. Just like you'd use a phone book to find someone's number, your browser uses DNS to find the address of websites. Every time you enter a web address, DNS steps in to find the IP address, which is a unique series of numbers identifying each website. There are four main steps in DNS resolution: recursive resolver, root nameserver, TLD nameserver, and authoritative nameserver. Let's break it down. The recursive resolver is the first stop. It's like a helpful guide that takes your request and asks, "Where can I find this website?" Next, the recursive resolver goes to the root nameserver, which knows the location of top-level domain nameservers. The root nameserver points it in the right direction. The recursive resolver then reaches the TLD nameserver, which holds information about domain extensions like .com or .net. It directs the query to the authoritative nameserver for the specific domain. Finally, the authoritative nameserver has the answer. It provides the exact IP address for the domain. Now your browser can load the website. And that's it. Thanks to DNS, you don't have to remember complicated IP addresses. It does the hard work, so you can just type in a web address and enjoy the internet. Like, share and subscribe if this video helped you to learn what's DNS.